talented draftswoman and engineer. There was a market for a new monoplane sporting and training aircraft, led to the Miles M2 Hawk, which Miles himself first flew in March 1933. Two entrances then back on the ground. The first one with the camouflaged upper surfaces belongs to the Shuttleman factory itself. Just 3 of them were built. This one for one Louis Fontes, the racing... Be operated in wartime by a crew of 3 with very little in the way of protection or a significant number of aircraft. Somewhat inevitably, all 6 Swordfish were short. Swordfish 1, they're RNA's Somerset rather than landing back here. The crew headed by Glenn Allison.